In this video, I will show you how Facebook conversion tracking works in GPT-Connect. First, set up Metapixel on your Facebook page business account. We have provided useful links on the description box below. Once Metapixel is set up, time to integrate Facebook conversion tracking to GPT-Connect. Go to your Facebook page Meta Business Suite. Select All Tools and look for Events Manager. Go to Data Sources and select the Metapixel you've created. Here you will find your Facebook Pixel ID. Next you go to Settings and scroll down to Generate Access Token. Copy the code, we will need it in the integration. Return to your GPT-Connect account and go to Settings. Go into Integrations and select Facebook Conversion Tracking. Paste the Facebook Pixel ID and access token code on the login credentials. You've successfully connected the Facebook conversion tracking tool. Let's use it in a flow. Click Add Content. Select Send Conversion Events. Also note, Conversion Events Tracker can be placed on the beginning or either towards the end of your flow process, depending on the use case of the user. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions and need support? Our amazing support team is here for you. Our support hotline is at the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect.